Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Autonomous District Council, Pynïaid Singh Syiem, has officially submitted his nomination as the NPP's candidate for the upcoming member of the District Council elections from Nongthymmai Constituency. Before heading to the ISBT for the nomination process, Pynïaid Singh Syiem was accompanied by several key leaders from various autonomous district councils across northeast India. Among them were Gobinda Basumatri, Deputy CEM of the Bodoland Territorial Council, Avijit Crow, Executive Member of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous District Council, and Lakhon Chakma, a representative from the Chakma District Council, Mizoram, along with other leaders. Addressing the media after filing his nomination, Pynïaid Singh Syiem highlighted the significance of the 125th Constitutional Amendment, stating that its implementation is a top priority. He emphasized that this amendment would further strengthen the 6th schedule and, if passed, bring significant advantages to the state and its people. On the voice of the People's Party demand for Article 371, Pynïaid Singh Syiem expressed his opposition, pointing out that while Nagaland already enjoys Article 371, its people still seek more benefits under the 6th schedule. He maintained that he does not support the call for Article 371 in Meghalaya. Furthermore, Syiem underscored that party politics should not interfere with the functioning of the district council. He asserted that elected representatives must focus on addressing public needs rather than prioritizing party interests.
Hajing yi jonga habai day ba MDC election baro hi ngam i bandan jikta nama kibriu kipai ba nong susnong ki di basuthu namar hakini ki MDC election ki MLA election ki jiet brio om ki jiet party but ka basut nat susu ha district council ngim dan party ken mau bhai kan ngim dan party te ka party ka bangi affiliate mentaru kum mangaru ngayo form A form B na ka party NPP ngadan kam yo sembol nama habakut kani ka khubor ka bangamut ban Aisha baro ki candidate ki bayakun but let's say on the job ru basnobha bawat nembu syai ka party hakmat bu syai ya upai ba hakmat leave aside the party affiliation interest and people's interest should be first. Dia kata de kaba nakaliang jungi ngikwa ban pensko but nakaliang jungi ngikwa ruban ban ai kani ka khubor ka bashay syabaro ki nong yakun election ki bade ki candidate but ki ban sa job ru lada de ba kin poi sya ka thong jong ka jing job sobha naibu ya kata ka mat party hakmat dane kanon ka nong rim party pet syai ka nong rim jong ki pai ba but jong ka 6 schedule district council satre but sabu ita ka party syadin Syiem balak mi hi ki candidate ban mi khmat ban yakun election ni shim be baro hi ki deki nong yakun ki ba khmat namar lada kim dei hi ki ba la snubiang kena mi mo kena file nomination te kata ka we but danru ki kum iba estron marwen da buram ngasu kemen ngakendit abangai i ngatu ka media report kum tu bat ngalak phone ba idan lang mentah niru ba estron ngasu tenat ba I withdraw ya lade wat ila penbena bane kun halor ki nongrem by in kersian ni day halor kita ki an ba ki jingtrai ki bangila persyang betre pi kum kani kamen sim rang ba jenjar ban yo te teng da pla trai ka trai ru bon sien dang yo hi ban kan tho ban kan no te ho jinglong breu le sengaru ngamla ban biang bon jing duna henry ni persyang pat benang pen bahai ka kam kata de ka bangida
be that Mr. Syiem the former chief of Khasi Autonomous District Council has submitted his nomination, and as a representative of 5 district council who have support, we are strongly behind him, just in support of him. One from Tripura, one from Karbi Anglong, one from Garo Hills, and one from Chakma, and I'm from Bodoland Territorial Region. We have 6 district council in whole Northeast, and we have one conglomerate organization out of these 10 district councils called Confederation of District Council of Northeast. Under this banner, we are trying to work together for resolution of all the district councils. We have one common issues, and just the result of that common issues, we are pressing the government of India to amend 126 of Constitution, and we are happy that three chief of our district council, their campaign in the parliament, just to place the issue that the amendment of the 126 of parliament in the parliament. So we are expecting that this 126 will be amended. 125 will be amended, and if we get that amended, the councils will get more autonomy in regards of economics and other aspects.